Hello and welcome to another content on building resilience in children. In this video, we are going to explore 6 ways arts can enhance scientific knowledge in children. Art can be a very powerful tool to enhance scientific knowledge in children. Number 1, visualization. Art can help children visualize scientific concepts that might be difficult to understand. For example, drawing or painting the water cycle can help children understand how water evaporates, condenses, and precipitates. Number 2, creativity. Art can encourage children to be creative and come up with unique ideas. This creativity can translate to the scientific field where children can think outside the box to solve problems or develop new theories. In this case, it helps them to visualize the problem. Observation. Art can help children develop their observation skills, which are important in science. Drawing or painting a plant, for example, requires close observation of the plant structure, which can help children to understand how plants grow and develop. Communication. Art can be a form of communication, and children can use art to communicate their scientific knowledge to others. This can help them to develop their communication skills and learn how to explain complex scientific concepts in a simple, understandable way. Integration. Art and science are not mutually exclusive fields, and integrating them can help children see how they are related. For example, art can be used to teach children about the physics of light and color, which can lead to a deeper understanding of how light works. In summary, art can be a valuable tool for enhancing scientific knowledge in children by helping them to visualize concepts, encouraging creativity, developing observation skills, improving communication, and integrating art and science. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe. It will help us grow and make more content. You can reach out to us through our website or through our email. Our email is buildingresilience-in-children@gmail.com, and you can scan the QR code to visit our website. You can also join us and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you very much again for your support.